Welcome to Kids Files. Today, we're playing a super fun bowling quiz. How to play. You'll see bowling questions with 3 colorful choices. A. Blue, B. Yellow, C. Green. Choose the correct letter to get a strike. Ready? Let's bowl and learn. Let's go! Which word means two? The answer is TWO. Which is the right spelling of 11? 11, ELEVEN. What is the correct word for 19? 19, NINETEEN. How do you spell number 3? 3, THREE. How do you spell 12? 12, TWELVE. What is the correct spelling of 4? 4, FOUR. How do you spell number 5? 5, FIVE. Spell the number 10. 10, TEN. Spell 16. 16, SIXTEEN. Spell 7. 7, SEVEN. How do you spell 9? 9, NINE. How do you spell the number 1? 1, ONE. Spell 13. 13, THIRTEEN. How do you spell 15? 15, FIFTEEN. Which one spells 6 correctly? 6, SIX. Which is the right word for 17? 17, SEVENTEEN. What is the word for 8? 8, EIGHT. How do you spell 18? 18, EIGHTEEN. What is the correct word for 14? 14, FOURTEEN. Can you spell 20? 20, TWENTY. Great job, you did it! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!